In front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by clicking on this gear at the top of your keyboard, or if you can't find it, clicking on this one at the top left corner and clicking on it over here. Now tap on Theme section, click on those dots at the top right corners of all of those categories, and this way see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, select Apply at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it with an image, go back to the same settings. But this time tap on this plus under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!